I'm going to share with you 4 steps you can take to prevent technology problems from occurring on your side of a telehealth visit. Let's start by regularly updating our software. So that means restarting your computer at least weekly, if not more often. And then when it pops up and says that you have a software update, you select yes and don't keep deferring that. You'll also want to consider any software that might be on a peripheral device that could be used during the visit, like an exam camera on the patient's side, and follow manufacturer directions for that. The last piece of software you'll want to make sure that's kept updated is Zoom itself. Now, your IT department may update Zoom for you on the back end, but if not, or you're using a personal device, it's very simple to do. Let me show you. So I'm going to go and I would open Zoom on my desktop app, and when I do, you'll go up to the top right, find your picture, click on your picture, and a drop-down menu will come. Scroll down until you find Check for Updates, click Check for Updates, and if you have any, they'll pop up on the screen for you. Now, the second thing I want to do to prevent problems is I want to ensure that all my peripheral devices are plugged in or Bluetooth connected, that they're charged, turned on, and turned up. So that would mean things like Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, an exam camera, even maybe some earbuds you might be using. Plugged in might be like a headset or a headset microphone, or external speakers. With your speakers, make sure they are turned on and turned up. And lastly, if you have a privacy screen on your webcam, that is open, so your webcam is functional. Checking your peripheral devices connection is important, but it's really important if you're going to be moving between patient rooms, as might be the case on a telecart. The third thing I'm going to want to check as far as connections go is my Wi-Fi. That's for those of you that are using Wi-Fi on mobile devices to connect, or a telecart. Beyond checking for your Wi-Fi, part of maximizing your bandwidth is to close out any web pages or software applications that might be running on your device and aren't necessary to the visit. This will give you maximum bandwidth and also ensure that there's no potential HIPAA violations or sharing of your personal information. The fourth thing I always check to prevent problems is Zoom itself, and I do an audio-video test there. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to log into my Zoom meeting. It could be the one you're using with your patient. And right there I can already see that my video is working. I choose Join with Computer Audio, and then I go down here to my mute caret, select that, and you notice I have 3 possible microphones and 4 speakers Zoom could be detecting, and I want to make sure it's using the correct one. So I'm going to select Test Speaker and Microphone and follow those directions. I can hear, so yes. Hello, hello?
Yes. Hello, hello.
I heard myself, so I know that my audio is working, and then I can see that my video is working. Lastly, you'll always want to communicate with your IT department and get their help if you're having reoccurring problems.